Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
The rundown. I better go. Not be mad. My wife. They see put that music. That be that one. Now they tell some women. Now so now they like man where they romantic, where they they real romantic. Some men they are romantic na man today. Aromantica. They wash up if they sometimes they drink aromantica. You know say e go romantic. A romantic na man today. Follow man where they do talk and do, not be sweet man. Not be sweet man. Well, you can't put that music. Go and put money for his head. If you work more. Why you know the boga you want? No get they come for me. Hello, get about. Hello, say hello, get. Ain't my boy. Now maybe your way. You don't know. They never tell you. Say no get they come for me. Come for who? Ain't no say no get do saga again. No turner, I will turner. You know they do saga again. I forgive everybody. Only person when I not forgive. Now Johnny Bizugbe. This is this. Even yesterday, I don't forgive Johnny Bizugbe. Everybody, I want to be friend to everybody. I be musician. I know you that you. Where? I'm coming for you. I'm coming. I dey advise am, not be say I dey sagara or I just dey give my advice. May go put money. May go put money for a wife head. Not be mad that they call wifey. Not be mad. As me your be, I don't go put money for my wife head before she even born for me. I thank God for my life. I don't go put money for my wife head before she born for me. Before she conceived, she born for me. Not be a woman don't born first, a born second. The second now twins. You still they buy fancy things. They buy fancy things. Then if you want to do live video, you can't put that music. Go put money for your head. The Lord not still tell you, but John will go tell you. So what I'm trying to say.
Right from D1 to this extent to be na kwana, me mama ye president. E Johnny Bizugbe ni ye president. And Johnny Bizugbe si remain the president. Oh, when I ya very reject e then na we ye president. Ye president for me. Ya we e wo so bo mama. Ayevuna. I be Mikey Amawe. I be Maoba. Owe ojo bagye never baga ojo bagye never baga etion yewu no nemen mawunu osapa enke no ya mekwe ona bweze levari sapa enke no ya mekwe ona bweze levari osapa enke no ya mekwe ona bweze levari osalopwa ọba eke no ya me no hia yi no gi ma ya hwe ona bwezo le bare o se no banari oba ovi oba ori oba so eri oje ne Johnny Bisugbe o so lo bo ahen we je so binye ma na me peace we social media na ona bo e le bare
Zeveni etabani awe obe Johnny Bisugbe mana me peace e social media na peso kon pa no. Since we are still in this social media cyber space, we have never found a peace. Every day buzz, saga here and there, still. A peace in marry, even the Johnny Bisugbe, the other one, there is no bet for me. Where I would take nana temata. A title is not a thing that we do election. No. Election, you can't do election for a title that you have named yourself. So, social media president remains on social media president. Wadiagbon or now business. For example, you met someone using a Fosa Express as a car transport. We are here your way. Fosa Express in here. Then you have to put money where you create of where. Have your content. It's not called for. Me as an audience way, I won't support it. So, social media president have already been there. So for you people say, who are vote on my way, you are vote on my way, you president. We don't know. We don't know. Those one is counterfeit. Social media president remain the social media president. So Johnny Bisugbe, you should go and look for a title to name yourself. Where una get bomber or kese. Don't expect people to name you. Cause in my area social media now, my yato be ma vienine be ma. Ona maybe te ma ke Zugabe leto asanima alugaro ana election. Asa asanima is different from maybe the issue is different from the like Edo State governor presidency. Niana where for 4 years. Ado campaign, you know, election. This is different. So Marokba allocation lare, allocation le Facebook there is nothing we are gaining from it. So we just name ourselves this title just to try to na ya dole woman ji then na we ya dole media ji no. So in fact that somebody else have already occupied that name. So as a newcomer, you should look for other name. Any Bokwa, somebody answered the president, you can take Vax, You can say you are a governor. You can say you are a police. You can say you are a soldier. You can say you are a lawyer. You can say you are a barrister. You can say you are a judge. You can say someone is king now. Someone is president. Someone is Odionwe. You can say I'm Ozukbogiva. You can say I'm Ozukbogia. You can say you are a secretary. You can say treasurer. There are many posts you can give to yourself to avoid this nemesis dragging post. I don't see what you people gain in a post. What is it? What is it in that post as a president? No. So so that is what Odionwe say against that presidency issue saga they are sagging themselves for. So Johnny Bizugbe and those that are supporting Johnny Bizugbe, it's time for us to tell him the truth. He should look for other name to name his own self. I named myself Odionwe of social media. So as far as I've named myself, it's my duty to do as if the Odionwe duty. So I'm doing it. If you're wearing a timese, I make a nana zama. I make a you know, you can't please everybody. Some people will criticize you. Some people will also support you. Some people will love you for who you are. Let people love you for who you are. Don't pretend. Pretense is not good. Ambri, me wa wogi me veni seria me fianyagbe. So Johnny Bizugbe, please, as an Odionwe of social media, I hereby urge you to leave that post and look for a post to position yourself on the social media cyberspace. Forget about they elected you. They know nobody have the right to elected you on social media. No, elected yourself. Chap. Elected yourself. Chap. What you need more enemy or kairele or social media. More enemy. Give yourself a name. So enadwagwe omanonya no mweni negbe awe agwe we meje na nia o ma ibi latiani awe eyan give Odionwe olele mesin ni emi no gba ni a emi no gba even me before I came out. Why can't I drag other people position? No, I don't do that. Any boom. So Nana do I see me egbe na me not by my brother. Why carry warning? So as I like the only fish shot the video now is that even the Judah also betrayed Ugo. Our betrayed them here. I betrayed Ugo. Because here Ugo ba mwe boke. Oguname. Here Vana Gbiseyo. Ugo Gbiseyo. Ugo naga gbise. Ugo ma ewe e betrayed na Judah. Oga Judah yen odao. He doesn't know that the Judah will Judah him in the front. Ugo naga gbise is still on still. This guy. How many say you go? Judah, if you want bat you for nyash, you don't care whether shit dey your nyash. And so Judah take dey operate. If Judah want bat you for nyash, you don't care how many whether shit dey your nyash, you go bat and bite the shit. Bajuda. So nobody should elect anybody on social media because there's no payment. Who is paying us? There's nobody that paying us. Nobody. Just give yourself a name and carry on. And like, not be a lovely name herself the barrister. Okay, another person not fit come out tomorrow now say he na still barrister. No. Secretary dey, judge dey, nurse dey. If you say you be doctor, if you say you be counselor, if you say you be anything, give yourself. So far they work towards that the name where you give yourself. Now so you take the work. Now they follow person drag your name. Say you know they do the work well. Now I collect am put for which work? They pay Mark Zuckerberg they pay anybody. I bet the government they pay us. So now so miss him for that one. Busugbe make you leave that post. Find post, give yourself. May peace reign for that. And so you be president. This one not be president. They elect me. Elect you. We are not dealing with electing issue here. And they call my people, man.
That's the issue of Precious Meg. Precious Meg, you really hurt me so badly. You hurt me so much. I never expected this, but I have promised myself never to insult you because I can never betray or bite the hand that fed me. But what you did to me is very bad. Very bad. I for not even come out on social media and talk this thing. But you do am. You do am because I don't know your reasons. You pay me. Why will you block me and my wife on social media? We know the quarrel. We not get any issue before now. Why will you block me just because I settle with you by the Murphy?
My brother, you reach to block. In fact, Precious Meg, your help not go kill you. Precious Meg, our sister Precious Meg, your help not go kill you. My sister still continue to help people. They say those wey not dey appreciate help na make we not come know. Now people like this na make we not come know who dey appreciate help. Precious Meg block you and your wife. If they come out, they complain. You are worth to be blocked. In fact, If you come again, go. If you find another place, you go block your ass. Block everywhere. Everything blockable. Why she not go block you, my guy? Judah, why? Why Precious Make not go block you? When you betray that trust? Have you forgot so soon? Have you forgot so soon? When she came to your house, she was cooking, bringing, do this, do that. When she were doing those things, your so-called godfather were insulting her, saying different type of things. They were insulting her, but she couldn't listen to those people. She keep on pushing. Your daughter's birthday, she put it on her head. Your wife get delivered, she run down there for mugwo, everything. If you order something, she, even Monica, everybody, all they ordered. She was the one that were bringing everything, cooking everything for you, cook, taking care of your woman. So you know that you are still going to settle with your godfather. Don't just start. This is what I'm saying. Do not start whatever you know that you can't finish. Don't just start it. Prevention is better than cure. You say nowhere they will you and inside and say as if they help you, you know, if you settle with your godfather. But you can't forget, say, when this woman they help you, now your so-called godfather, they fire her, they insult her, they bruise her, they collect bruising, all because of you. So for you to, you want to talk one thing, you say you person when suppose even the verse, where you go take permission from na Monica, not be even Precious Make. Hey, wo, Monica wey sit down for her house, they send money, bring your account, put 300, put 400. Okay, you can't follow and pass person wey come dey gbigya wey follow you. Hey, wo, money, you too go this Judah. Now because of money, now you say Jesus Christ. Now she still dey your vein. And because of money, now you say Jesus Christ. Now Monica, we come dey send you 300, 400, 500. And that one, you can't say, now it's supposed. Call shame, block you, not be Precious Make. Precious Make, we come dey pack your pikin shit. We come dey cook. So maybe sometimes now, fire go burn her hand, it go lick her, it go say no shaking, he knowing they do am for. So you say that one not mean, it not dey important. Now you not supposed get or the authorization from Precious Make. My brother, you lie. You say you not go bite finger. You don't already bite hand. You don't bite her. More they talk truth. You don't already bite the lady. I don't want to get why now. They go do you. They go do you. And information I've get, I dey hear some information. So information just reached me as an audience way. They even told me that the reason why the Judah went to go and settle with the senior Judah is because of the junior Judah now having issue with his own document. You see children, those days, if small children don dey get small thing, he go meet him papa say he wan take him own, he wan dey do him own, he wan start him life. This junior Judah, the reason why he was trying to fight with senior Judah then, an man winner, is somebody that taught him a job. Just because he have already found out that he has a twins God have blessed him with that twins. He will have his own document. Everything will steal. So nothing will take him to that man's hands again. So that was the reason why this Junior Judah were pumping, we are fighting, we are trying to instigate many things. So now, after SEFTA done, Junior Judah still find it difficult to achieve the document. The document is still ongoing. Now, Junior Judah have just confused. He said, what am I going to do? Let me go and settle with the Senior Judah so that he can help me out. Let him show me some way on this document issue. That is why he went back he was looking away. He was looking away. He knew, Judah, he has sense. Now I play with Judah. He knew that. Do you know where he started betraying these people? He knew that party that Esther Dokpaye is coming to Dusseldorf, I don't know where he knew that Senior Judah and his wife will come there. He now went to go and do COVID-19 test. So he now decided to go to that party. He went there. That is how his settlement started beginner. So that is how he tried to settle in that party. That is how the settlement started. We know him. Very smart. The Judah is very smart. This will teach you a lesson. Don't just have a little thing that you say, Master, do your own. I will do my own. I have it all. Anything will not take me to your hand anymore. I can do it alone. I can do it alone. No. Today, see what your ego have landed you. See what you now go back to your vomit. You go back to your vomit after raising your ego. So you betrayed. That is the beginning of the betraying of everybody that helped him. Everybody that helped him. Today you are saying you never expect Precious May not to block you and your wife. And this you were just saying different thing. The person that's supposed to block you is Monica, not Precious May. You see, you now value money than somebody that wrong. You even come to live video and said she were also keeping her children in your place. Well, okay, tell me the reason why she kept her children in your place. Is it not because maybe after she closed from work, so that she will come down to your house, cook, everybody will eat? Before everything, her children not get where they fed they stay. They not fed they stay house. You not get where fed they put them. You want to come talk for live video, say you can't keep our children for your place. So Enogie, I said, Judah, you have nothing to say. You have a big apology to Precious May. Don't you ever bite the figure that fed you. Never you do so. You are going to apologize to her. Immediate effect. If she blocks you, you don't have to be annoyed because you betrayed her. Yes, they won't do that to you. because when she dey your house dey cook for you, dey help you, your so-called godfather dey disgwangwa am left and right. Everybody dey insult am, dey collect insult because of you. Because of you. So for you said now is your life, now is your, then it wasn't your life. Oh, when they disgwagwa you, they disgwagwa this woman, it wasn't your life. It wasn't your life. And now you can't say now your life. You are a man to decide what to do, not to do. You were just saying different things. I even heard now you said you want to go and forgive even Iyore. You want to go forgive Iyore. The only person where you not forgive na be Moki. No, na be Mofiuji. You kukuma forgive all of them. Don't say you want to forgive Iyore, leave Mofiuji. No, cause na Iyore teach Mofiuji walk. Mo you know so all of na Orionba squad. Mo you know so na be Orionba squad. As you dey forgive now, because I know say your godfather now dey tell you now may you forgive Iyore. May you come out apologize to Iyore. Good. As you dey do Iyore o, you just see from there apologize to Mofiuji. Mo you know so all of una be Orionba squad. Mo you know una. We dey recognize una. Yes. Because as far as concerned, Iyore na still enemy to our kingdom. Iyore na enemy to our kingdom. She have never done anything. They never they never pronounce her. Say Iyore, she has done the needful. She's no longer our enemy to the kingdom. So the fact any of you that mingles with her, that called her, run things with her, so you both of you are bird on the same feather. You people are flew together. So that is what I know. I think I will block this idiot. I say now I can't go put Mama Gladys. You gotta go put Mama Gladys picture, idiot. Any nasty comment here, I block you. I block your house. So that is it. So Judah, if you say you want ask forgiveness for Iyore hand, just dey ask for Mofi's hand, because Iyore na teach and work, all of them are the same thing. Agbiyan no ka, agboka niyan. So mo you know say you just join them, you just still be Orionba squad. Yeah, he said Iyore is not an enemy. You guys should say the truth. You are very wrong, bro. Yeah. Now me put on for enemy. Now me talk. Now me say make she go talk wetin she talk. She don go do the right thing for Benin. She never go do am. So as far as say she never go do am, she's an enemy to our kingdom, to Benin. Una wey dey associate with her, they give her mind, say all those things. Now no. Awoswo, Amaimokin, we knows our enemy. We also know our friends. So that is it.